Well, this series, let's work on land creation. With Unity, we will see from the different types of brush, the tool for the creation of land we are going to work. Let's import, okay, new tools not only with those that Unity has. Let's see how to modify the relief of the terrain, how to add texture to them, add vegetation, how to import 3D models into our field. We will also work on lighting. We will also work on some visual effects, as is fog, bloom vignette. We will add vegetation per piece. We will learn to add vegetation for painting for brush. In adding vegetation and masse, different types of vegetation from trees to flowers. Grass, we will also learn how to add bodies of water, among many other things. Well, we continue. Let's start with this series. For me, it is one of the most entertaining. More fun. Well, let's get started.